Hey guys, welcome back. I got another video for you. Now this happened on 5/2 of 2025 in Bay County, Florida, when Sheriff I'm sorry. It's hell. Anyway, this happened on 5/2 of 2025 in Bay County, Florida, where the sheriff department got a call where some wildlife had escaped from a local zoo. And these deputies went out and tried to catch it. Now it was described as a peacock, a turkey. Some people even said it was a chicken, but whatever it was, just take a look at it.
What do I gotta chase a chicken for? It's embarrassing.
Come here! Come here! Come here!
31 back.
Come here!
31.
He had already taken emergency contact from the zoo world. Get somebody out there to help him.
That's simple.
78's getting out in front of each house.
No!
Simple.
This is amazing.
Go left.
That's a peacock?
Come on, Trevor, haven't you ever seen Rocky?
Yo, help me corner it.
That's a turkey.
That's not a turkey.
That's 100% a turkey, but okay. You don't see the gobbler on this neck? That's a turkey. Oh, it might be a peacock. You should have seen her. She ran through the street. You let it get away.
Get it.
Oh. Haley, get it, Haley, get it. All right, it's in a corner again.
460 Bay, I'll move forward.
Don't be scared, Brenner. Get it, Brad! You literally had it! God!
He's gone.